Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In front of me I have Google Pixel Watch 5 and today I'm going to show you how to take a screenshot on this watch. So let's get started. And to take a screenshot, your watch needs to be paired with a phone because the screenshot's saved on the phone that is paired with your watch. And then we can continue. We can go to the screen we want to capture on our watch. So for example, let's say I will open the calendar. And let's say I want to be opening the calendar. Let's say maybe this is the recorder, right? Yeah, that's the, like audio recorder. So no weather app. Okay, let's say the weather app. And let's say we want to take a screenshot of this page. We can do it by pressing the side button and crown button together at the same time. And once you press them, oh my bad, I pressed them wrongly. Let's go back to the weather app. Like this. Now press them together. You will see this animation on the screen. And if your watch is paired with a phone, you will see the notification saying that the screenshot was saved and the screenshot will appear in the Photos app. And it is in the collection called Watch Screenshots. And to get to it, you need to tap on Collections in Photos app. So you need to open, actually let me reopen it. So you need to open the Photos app, go to Collections and look for the collection called Watch Screenshots and tap on it. And here we have screenshots from our watch. And basically that's how you take a screenshot on this watch. So if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.